I will show you the result of turning plantain to a porridge plantain, the way they turn yam to a porridge yam, the way they cook porridge beans. So guys, they know about this plantain. So I'll be doing a plantain porridge, for you guys. Welcome to my channel. So guys, I told you guys earlier yesterday that the video I made yesterday, I told you guys that each video that I'm doing now, I will be wearing these clothes. This is my brand. You can see your fuzzy at the back here. I'm showing you guys on house vlog video to show you guys how you can turn this plantain into porridge. So this is the plantain, and we have our bowl here. Turning everything right here. You understand what I mean? Everything right here inside. So I have another bowl here. I will use to wash it. This water here, you go and wash. Cooking house vlogging at home, trying to cook, case myself as I'm a cooker. Trying to learn, bro. Trying to learn. Then you peel it. We are turning this plantain now into porridge food. Like they have porridge yam. This one we are going for porridge plantain. This is a house hack that I try to learn, show you guys this stuff. After peeling it will be like this. See, it have turned from like this to like this. Really turn from like this to like this. You can see it's not like a banana. Then you have to cut it inside this bowl like small. After cutting it, I will show you guys. After cutting it, guys, I will still show you. Then you have to cut it small. After I cut it small, I will still show you guys how it is. Take another one, you peel it. Then you remove it. You remove the cover. There is nothing in plantain that is a waste. After you have bring it like this, even this cover, goats used to eat it. Animal used to eat this cover. Animal like goats, they eat this cover. You see how I'm cutting it small. No, we've been wasting this plantain, bro. It's not for waste, it's for cooking. This is how I will do all of the plantain. Cutting it, you see. Cut it small. You first slice it small. We're trying to turn the plantain to plantain porridge. So guys, you see, you can see it. See it. We have cut these ones now. We have cut this one. It still remain like this. So we stay cutting. If you're from Africa and you don't know how to peel this, man, you're not from Africa, bro. You're not from Africa. It's all done. It's all done, guys. Try to, bring. This is the back of the plantains, and I have cut it. It's now like this. So we try to cook it. So first of all, you have to pack all this. Get some water here. Showing the word that women can cook. So as we bring in the pot here. So guys, this is it now. Transferring it now inside this pot for cook. So transferring it here to be cooked, you know. You have to put water. You see, you have put in water now. Then you have to cover it. Then we go straight to the gas. This is now gas. We have put in the gas now. Transferring the pots here to the gas. Transfer the pots there. You can see guys, it's now on fire. So let's try and wait. And if it's done, then we try putting other things. And so guys, let's wait and see the result guys. Peace and love. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. As the food is on the fire now, we are waiting for the results. You know, we are waiting for the result to see. So I have pepper, I have oil, I have salt, I have what they use. I have onion that I will use to cook it. So after cooking it, I will show you guys the results. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Peace and love. Wait for the results, it's coming. So guys, after set and done, the food is ready. So let me show you the result of this plantain porridge that I tried. You guys saw everything, so I'll be dishing it out for you guys to see. Okay, so guys, this is, let me dish out my own. So I was telling you guys, this is the plantain porridge. So I was saying, and this is it. This is the plantain porridge I'm telling you guys. Here in Africa, this is our traditional food. You can you can fry plantain, you can cook it, and you can make it porridge like this, the way they do porridge yam here in Africa. So I tried this. Very sweet and yummy. This is my house vlog today, trying to show you guys how you can turn a plantain to a porridge plantain. Yes. Oh, see what a man cook. Guys, make sure you do like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel. Guys, this is yummy guys. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I entertain you guys today. You can feel my YouTube clothes now. You're fuzzy. This is my YouTube clothes now. Every video that I'm doing, I'll be wearing these clothes. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, share this video, and next time I will show you more. This is a house vlog that I did today. Just want to entertain you guys. Peace and love, and don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, share this video. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys.